He usually have two straight like that.
You better tell us what we do on Friday nights.
That's how you usually am with me.
You can tell who's more confident. I'm not gonna say who, but you can tell who's more confident.
Yeah. Flipper.
Oh.
Yeah, Flipper.
Flipper it.
Flip him.
He's done.
Flip him.
Alright.
Flip him.
He's done.
Flip him. Flip him, yo. Flip him.
That's
You got it. Flip him. Flip him.
Oh, not game yet.
Keep flipping them.
What? Hey!
Break up.
I'll kick a motherfucker in the head if y'all don't break up.
That'd be funny.
Boom!
Right, yours right there.
Ready? Ready, little rest?
Go right ahead, but I'm straight.
Ready, little rest? Oh my god.
I know my jaw do the same thing.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
If you fight, no.
Now I got my jaw popped that I played before. Boxing.
Like this.
I got hit like 42 times in the jaw without hitting this nigga back.
Both arms.
He was retarded.
Both shoulders. Dislocated.
I didn't want to hit him.
pissed on myself. I was pissed. Skateboarding.
I see you move right now.
Yep. Capitalize. I was just too quick with it. But it's some of the stuff. You got the technique, dude.
You're done, Chris. You're done.
Nah,
You won't win this
you lasted a while there.
He won't win this one, though.
He about to flip his ass. Use the rest of your body. Don't just use your legs. Use the rest of your body, yo. You got arms too. Use them both interchangeably.
What the?
That's a new shit, nigga. That's right. That's right. Give him some shit he ain't seen before.
There we go.
There we go. Ain't nobody been wrapped up yet. Oh, is it coming?
Laser wrap.
Uh-oh.
No.
That's a leg. What's coming?
He knows how to break out.
What's coming? Flip him. There we go. Flip him. Throw that arm under there. He pulled his head out.
He's tired.
Done. Come here.
He gave him that forearm.